there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in our testing series. Once again, I've got the sweet telescopic lens from CoPedvic. Today though, I've got a dry day, and we're going to try it outside. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alright friends, if you weren't here for the first review, I will put a link up in the corner of this video. If you haven't seen inside the case, you've got a sweet organization for a connector to your tripod, the telescope, and two additional lenses, one wide and one fisheye, and then this is the apparatus that holds it to your phone. When you're working with this, make sure that you understand that this does slide to wherever you need it for your phone. You can attach it several different ways to get it so it's exactly right. Alright, so let's attach it to my Galaxy S9. The first thing I'm going to do is take off my case, because that distance that the case would be away would probably not let it line up well. With the case off, I'm going to just slide this over, and you can see that doesn't line up, but that's what's so cool is you can slide this down to get the exact right location for your phone. And then when you're happy, clamp it in. Over here is the adjustment cable, so you can find the right amount of tension for your phone so that it stays exactly where you want it before you screw in your lens. It's awesome that each part has a place to be stored. You can see that they're real easy to keep them in place. There is a good amount of grip that holds them in place. They all have lens caps and they're all labeled. You can see that this is the fisheye lens and it's got a lens cap on each side. Let's take a look at what we get when we use fisheye view. I'm going to just store those in there so I don't lose them. And then it's just simply screwing it on. Alright, so this shot is off a tripod with the camera without the lens. And here it is with the fisheye lens. You can see how close I can get. And then here I actually zoomed in using the controls on the screen and was able to get that close to the tassels. And that's back to where we had the fisheye lens. Lastly, it comes with a sweet little connector that you can put on so you can use it just as a spotting scope. So my friends, it's pretty darn handy. It's got lots of features. It does take great pictures when you've got it held still. Love being able to click to actually take the picture instead of touch the camera. Friends, if you found it useful, please hit the like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, adding down below. If you're looking for the device, I will put a link in the description. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.